The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Hi everyone, myself Ahmed Faisal. A new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra render has leaked. So guys, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is back in the news. And this time a notable tipster claimed that the smartphone might include a Penta rear camera setup. I will share with you the news leaks, news, release date and more interesting facts about Galaxy S21 Ultra, so keep watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then kindly subscribe it for more news like this. According to tipster Steve Hemstoffer, who goes by the name OnLeak, the rear camera on the phone would be housed inside a rectangular module at the top left corner. Similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series, sensor details of the Penta camera setup remain unclear, although we expect new information in the form of other leaks in the coming weeks. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series is rumored to come with three variants: the vanilla Samsung Galaxy S21, Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It was further indicated the phone is yet to go into production. Leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra may run Android 11 based on UI 3.0 and sport a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is set to pack the unannounced Exynos 2100 SoC, whereas China and the US may get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 SoC. The smartphone will be launched with Android 11 based on UI 3.0 out of the box, according to another leak. Further, the camera system might house a 108 megapixel primary rear camera and a 40 megapixel front camera housed in the infinity of front panel. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is set to come with a 2K AMOLED display and a 5000 mAh battery. While it is unclear when exactly the Galaxy S21 series will be launched, reports claim a January 2021 launch or even a late December 2020 launch as well. So this is information about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Connected for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.